An unusual ruling has people here asking a lot of questions in Utah.
Yeah, the decision made legal by the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals could allow women to legally roam topless in public. ABC4's Nick McGurk is looking into the story and has more for us tonight. Nick.
Certainly a headline that caught our attention, Emily. And I'll tell you what, on a day like today, Liberty Park, the weather was pretty nice. You might find a lot of men running around topless, jogging, getting some exercise. But women can't legally do that. Not here, not in a lot of cities and states around the country. So for two women in Fort Collins, they filed a lawsuit, and this is what is happening now.
I assume it won't be the masses that participate in it right away.
Utahns reacting to news that going topless for women could now be legal.
I don't know if I would personally do it, but I guess if men are allowed to walk around without their shirts, then women should be allowed to as well.
That, the crux of a lawsuit from two women in Fort Collins, Colorado. They sued the city over a topless ban there and won. And then at the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals, the women won again. So Fort Collins decided the city would not appeal to the Supreme Court. That decision coming earlier this summer.
Utah is bound by the decisions of the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals. So any city that has a law in Utah that bans female toplessness but doesn't ban male toplessness, that law is presumptively unconstitutional now.
We reached the plaintiff's attorney, Andy McNulty, by phone.
The fact that there's discrimination enshrined in the law is inherently problematic and harms women. The second thing is that these laws perpetuate the sex stereotype that women's bodies are inherently sexual and that women are inherently sexual objects and nothing else.
The Utah Attorney General's office told me by email they were not commenting on this story.
I think the most important step of women's rights is letting them choose what to do with their bodies. And so creating a law that prohibits that, not really working towards women's rights like we need to be.
You might have heard the slogan, "Free the nipple." That's something that has been resonating in Colorado all the way to New Hampshire. There's a case in New Hampshire, we're told, that could end up at the Supreme Court. A lot of people think this could go all the way to the Supreme Court. For now, live in Salt Lake City, I'm Nick McGurk, ABC4 News.